Hello, this is William McKissock with Schooley Mitchell, your expense reduction specialist. And a word of caution, as usual, this is not my day job. I am an expense reduction specialist, but me and my company, Schooley Mitchell, we're endeavouring to help as many businesses as possible get some free marketing on social media. And today I have with me Malia Powers. Welcome, Malia.
Hi, welcome. Thank you for inviting me to your show.
You're more than welcome. So let me tell the viewers a little bit about the company. The company is called ViraSafe Guard, and it's a company that uses advanced tools to eliminate surface transmission of viruses and bacteria. So before we get into some questions about what you do and how you deliver it, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Sure. Well, as mentioned, my name is Malia Powers, and I live here in Tampa, Florida, and I have a passion for the building sciences. I have a degree in mechanical engineering, and I look at buildings a little bit different. I have certifications in mold and mildew and want to help to give back to the community with my education, as well as with our company working on different charity organizations throughout the Tampa Bay area.
So tell me a little bit more detail about what the company does. What does ViraSafe Guard do?
Yes. Well, ViraSafe Guard provides a service that cleans the surfaces of all harmful content, such as bacteria, mold, mildew, viruses, and so many other harmful microscopic aliens. After all the surfaces are thoroughly clean, we apply a protective coating that wards off any potential hazards from sticking to the surfaces and keeping the space from being contaminated during our guaranteed period of time. This makes it easy for you to touch surfaces without a fear of picking up or transporting various germs from place to place.
Fantastic. So what makes your company different from all the competition that's doing this?
It's a great question. What's unique about ViraSafe Guard is we also have the ability to treat the air as well. It's great that we can treat the surfaces, but we also want to be cognizant on treating the air as well. We want to prevent people from spreading airborne toxins using our preventative services to enable us to keep the germs from spreading through ionization and HEPA filtration systems, etc. But our services last for 3 months at a time. So that's 90 days of protection is what we guarantee. In addition, our products, we are EPA certified or EPA registered and FDA approved, which is important to note because you don't have to worry about hazardous chemicals or elements within our products. It's a water-based product, so it's not harmful. It has non-leaching, non-transforming. When you touch our product or solution, if it's applied to your desk, you're not going to feel that sticky protection because of the chemicals that we use.
And I'm assuming with the way you're describing the business, it's all business to business, but do you do any business to customer?
So we do. We specialize in commercial is our specialty, commercial office spaces, schools, healthcare, which includes hospitals and doctors' offices, but we have branched into the residential arena. We work with realtors when they list a product or when they close a product to offer that safeguard solution, because we're not only treating the porous and non-porous solutions of interior products, but we're treating door handles, light switches, restrooms, all of these high area touch points. And that seems to be common in residential areas where people can feel a little safer of germs when they're purchasing their new home.
It all sounds very expensive. I'm assuming it's not, or you wouldn't be in business, but can you tell the viewers a little bit about how much it costs?
Great question again. So typically price points are 50 cents per square foot. So we price on a square footage basis, which allows us to treat not just a small area, but we can treat banquet rooms, hotel spaces, etc. We do have fees for mobilizing within 24 hours. So if there is an outbreak and we need to be at a facility in the next day or in the evening hours, we can mobilize and there is some additional fees. But we have been in, we have the ability to be in 52 states across the United States.
Fantastic. So I'm assuming that you won't go out of business when we come to the end of this virus, which obviously we're coming towards the end of it because we're beginning to see the vaccines appear. I'm assuming this won't put you out of business.
So we were in business before this all happened, and we'll still continue to be in business. Our product also protects against allergens, so we can keep the pesky dust mites and all the seasonal allergens at bay in our space with our ViraGuard Safe Protection.
Thank you. So for anybody watching this video, please pay attention to Malia's details underneath her. And please like and share this. This is a valuable service, especially as we've gone through this pandemic. Who knows what the next virus fashion will be? Malia's company is there to help protect all of us. Thank you, Malia. It's been an absolute pleasure for having you on the show. It's such a valuable resource that you provide for not too inexpensive cost. So you can cover quite a large area for not that much money, around 50 cents a square foot that lasts for 3 months. That's a huge value to bring to the table. So thank you very much for coming on. I couldn't do this show without people like you. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, William. Glad to be a part of it.
You're welcome. I'll now hand it over to Dave for the weather.